Hey guys, this is AC13 with a nightly video. Today we'll be making Jiffy Pop. It's basically like popcorn. You can find this in stores. Right now I preheated my stove for 3 minutes. And then after your 3 minutes you put it on. Now put it on like that. Once you hear sizzling, you start shaking it. And I wait for that to start popping anytime soon. It's gonna be quick because it's really hot. And basically like Jiffy Pop is just basically popcorn. Now you're making a Jiffy. Let's starting to sizzle. Should I start shaking? Or just give it a second. It is starting to sizzle and pop. Let's start. Hey, look at that sizzle. What you want to do is start shaking it. And that gets it all hot and it's made it start popping. And that gets it what's that do? Separates it. And you have to keep shaking until all of it's popped and puffs out. Give a second.
Until the foil is, keep shaking it back and forth until it's fully expanded. I don't think it's started popping yet.
Give a second.
There it goes, now keep shaking.
You just want to keep doing this until all of it shakes, all of it pops. Until the bag is fully expanded. Okay. It's really easy to make. You can find this like at Corn Market or something like that. I made this one time and it was good. Now it was starting to pop.
What are you doing? Popcorn?
It's escaping.
Escaping. This is bad.
The foil broke. Oh, that's just terrible. Yay! Yay!
Give me a knife or something to get it off this burn.
The foil is coming out. The foil is coming out. We got popcorn everywhere. This is a bad sign. And should we just end the video here? Or
This is a disaster. Tune in next week.
Tune in next week.
This is a disaster. We've got popcorn coming all over the place.
Tune in next week. And one day I will make a store and sell my HP13 shirts. One day. This is a big disaster. Tune in next time. Like, like this video if you like popcorn. This is AC13 for the Foley Disaster.